Good morning. Standard 3rd. Subject English. Conversation writing. Conversation between a parrot and a monkey. Dialogue between a parrot and a monkey. Monkey. Hello Tar, the parrot. Parrot. Hello Sam, the monkey. Monkey. How are you today? Parrot. I am fine today. What about you? Monkey. I feel well today too. Parrot. What are you going to eat today? I am going to eat seeds. Monkey. And I think I will have two bananas and an orange. Parrot. Do you want to go by the sea with me? Monkey. Yes, that's a good idea. Parrot. In order to stay by your side, I will not fly but walk along with you. Monkey. That's very nice of you. It's a nice day today and the sea is so calm. Parrot. Yes, the weather is beautiful. It's a lovely day. Monkey. Yesterday I went to a party of Chiquita, a special monkey friend of mine. I was so happy and had lots of fun there. Parrot. Today is a special day for me because it's my birthday. I'm 10. Monkey. Really? I wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Parrot. Thank you so much. When is your birthday? Monkey. My birthday is on the 3rd of May. Parrot. Oh, it's already 7 o'clock. I have to go now because it's time for dinner. Monkey. Bye and hope to meet soon. It was nice meeting you. Parrot. Bye. Thank you.